Come test drive the 2012 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes, the BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.